Hey friends, Tom Wylie here. Super quick tip for you today. If you find yourself needing to do a little bit of trim work, so you need to use a brad nailer or a pin nailer, but you don't want to drag out your air compressor and your hose, or pull enough extension cord or hose to where you're working or whatever, here's a super quick solution for that. An air tank, just a portable air tank that you use to fill tires out in the field, hooked directly to your pin nailer. So here, I just took my air tank that was in the shop already, I hooked it up to the air compressor, filled it up, and now I have over 100 pounds worth of air to work with in here. Hook it up to my brad nailer, I can come, do a little bit of trim. Super easy, super portable. I could even go way out in the field where there's no electricity and I could do a little bit of nailing. I could maybe do a little bit of framing nailer action with this, but not a whole lot because that uses more volume. But for a little bitty pin nailer like this, you can get a lot done on a tank of air. So, super quick tip for you today. Hopefully you find it useful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. I'll catch you later.